Animal rights activists are outraged after another horse was euthanized at Santa Anita Park after a race.
Make It a Triple is out after him in second.
Yesterday, Cochise became the 26th horse to be put down or die at the track since late December. Santa Anita said they tried to save him. The horse did have surgery, but had lost blood flow to his injured leg. People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, PETA, issued a statement saying Santa Anita and all California tracks must suspend racing until the ongoing investigation by the district attorney is complete and the new rules have been strengthened. Decreasing the number of broken bones is not enough.